There we go, we'll take over.
Oh, hello, welcome. We're in Brighton for Brighton SEO. Tonight, what we're going to do is we're going to go around with the camera and ask everyone SEO jokes.
Yeah, we should.
Just you heard it here first.
That'll be fun. There we go, we'll take over.
Oh, hello, welcome. We're in Brighton for Brighton SEO.
You'll never get that camera back.
Kate, say hello. We've just picked up Kate from the station. We're just gonna head down now, which is really, really fun. So I'm excited for some good talks. Tasha, who are you looking forward to seeing?
I haven't even checked the schedule yet.
Okay, she has really. She's been looking at it fully in depth. Okay, so we've just checked in. I'm doing a takeover on Tasha's cam. Kate, say hello, Nick. We've got Carrie, Nick. Two Nicks! There's two Nicks. There's two Nicks.
But I call him Hanley.
So what was everyone's favourite talk? Excuse me. I'm doing a bit of vlogging here. Very rude. What was everyone's favourite talk? Sasha, what's your
Alex's.
Yeah, Alex's talk was good. These two are going to apply next year to Brighton. Tell me more about your talk.
Yeah,
Carrie, this is our episode.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Because I was just like, because I was thinking we could, we can pitch to do like a multi-platform SEO strategy, but then we're gonna do a joint Amazon one.
Can you do like a joint talk?
Yeah.
We can now.
You can, because I was saying to the guys
I also think it'd be really exciting.
we should do it with clients.
Yeah.
We've done that in the past.
Tasha's going to be the new star.
It's a great talk.
I can't take your shine, Will. I'm not Will Hobson.
Tell me a joke. An SEO joke.
I know a good SEO joke. Why was the SEO late for Brighton? No, late for work.
I don't know.
Too much traffic.
Tasha, you must know an SEO joke.
Tasha was all business.
Oh, do I know a good SEO joke? I do, but they're severely inappropriate.
No.
The ones.
Tonight, what we're going to do is we're going to go around with the camera and ask everyone SEO jokes.
Yeah, we should.
Just you heard it here first.
That'll be fun. And loads of SEOs will know, so we'll just get the camera grab. Tell us an SEO joke.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So we're having a Nando's and we've decided not to go to a restaurant because it's better here. I'm just going to go and take you for a private tour because everyone's been really rude. But the conference has been good this morning. We have seen some good talks. Alex Hickson, shout out to you. But yeah, we're going to just have a couple of drinks. We're going to go and watch the rest of the conference and then go after. Carrie's doing a talk tonight, so we'll film that. And then, yeah, just a bit busy. But yeah, it's been a really busy week, but we've got a really fun, exciting couple of days. And then we're going on a trip in the next couple of weeks, so we'll take you with us to New York. And we're going to just have a really, really fun time. Woo! Right, so Kate, what was your favourite talk of the day?
I really enjoyed Alex's.
Yeah, you keep saying that. No, but we're not talking about this morning, we're talking about this afternoon. Okay, so Kate, what was your favourite talk of the afternoon?
I really enjoyed Alex's.
No, that was this. That was this morning. We've already spoken about that. Okay, tell me the joke.
Okay, why did the SEO expert cross the road?
I don't know.
To get hit by traffic.
Did we say that? So we're asking everyone to tell us like just a really fun SEO joke. So fire away. It's written 45, everyone.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
We're ready.
Okay, so the best SEO joke I can think of is that I once went with a chiropractor to get into backlinks.
Okay. Let's go again.
So I've been working with our local church to split the conversion rates.
Okay.
I'll send you the link to the actual article.
I'm not sure. Martin, what about you?
Right, there is only one SEO joke.
Okay, go for it.
Just the one joke.
Okay, go for it.
The guy walks into a bar,
Yeah.
club,
Yeah.
boozer. Other words for boozer.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
It's the old It's the old spinning technique. Do you remember the spinning of the blackout days?
No, see, I'm a purebred, like I'm a white hat person, so I'm a PR, and not that dodgy shit.
We were a blackout, so you could make one sentence into 10 sentences.
Okay.
So I walks in, an SEO walks into a bar, pub,
Okay.
boozer, tavern.
I see. Great. He had to explain the joke, not great. Thierry's making a little cameo back, and I'd like to ask you your best SEO joke.
SEO joke?
Yeah, your best SEO joke.
Oh, I'm being put on the spot right now. I don't really have any SEO jokes.
Well, tell me a joke then.
Oh, well, what is this stand-up?
Yes!
Oh, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Will Smith.
Tell us your best SEO joke.
Where do you hide a dead body?
I don't know.
On page 2 of Google, because no one ever looks there.
Tell us your best SEO joke.
Don't believe everything you read on the internet.
Why?
Abraham Lincoln said so. Because he wasn't alive when the internet was there.
Is doing some private coaching with agencies, and he was like, can I get 3 agency owners together to talk about running agencies? So it's called The Honest Dog, and it's all about running agencies, all of the problems, all of the wins, all of the good and the bad, and all that sort of stuff. And I said, yes, I would love to. So I think it's being recorded. Might be on YouTube.
Okay.
With the metaverse stuff, with Teams and Zoom, everyone hates it, but it's the thing. How do you how do you guys work from a remote versus office versus hybrid point of view?
Yeah, so this is a massive argument in our agency because I'm pro-office, but that's just because I love people. I love being around people, just kind of, that's where I get my energy, that's where I get my confidence from, is like, when I do something, seeing the reaction of others and things like that. So I was pro kind of office, but what we are is, we are half and half. So we do 3 days, or 2 or 3 days into the office, and then 2 days working from home, and it's completely flexible as well. We have quite a lot of remote workers and quite acceptable on that sort of stuff. But I think we just asked our agency, we just said, what do you guys want? And with the average, it has a time! Yeah, so we kind of just asked the people, and this is one thing I just asked Ross and said, what have your people said? And it's been quite varied, but our people said they wanted the office. So we invested, I'm going to admit, £700,000 into our office. Yeah. It's got hammocks, it's got a bar, it's got, all that kind of stuff. But our average age at Rise 7 is 27. These are young people. Do you know what? I interviewed a graduate the other day just for, a rolling content. And I said, this hybrid role, and she went, what does that mean? And I was like, so innocent. So many graduates don't even know what that means. They have no fucking idea. We do kind of encourage 3 days in, 2 days kind of at home. And we just do that by improving the social life at Rise.
So we're just on the way back. Everyone's been really rude and doesn't want to sit with me. So we're on the way home. Has everyone had a lovely time?
Had a fabulous time. Yeah, it's been good.
What's your favourite bit?
That guy's t-shirt.
Yeah, that was good.
Is that an SEO joke? Type question name, why do SEOs love the farmer's market? Just to end. I don't get it, it's too technical for me. Do you get it?
I get a tiny bit there.
What, can you explain it?
Well,
can you
it's
explain
a farmer's
it?
market, it's all organic.
Clever clocks.